In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can add a FAQ to your WordPress website. What you need to do for that, you want to go to your WordPress website, of course, and go to Elfsight. You can go to the link in the description or search Elfsight yourself, go to applications, and then create a new application. So I need to remove one first because I already have 3 of them. Just like that. Remove, and let's go back, add application, and then search for FAQ. There we go, hit create widget, and here we can select the design. So we have this one, simple categories. So yeah, choose one you like. I'm going to do this one and then continue with this template. And now we can add questions. So we can basically edit this one. How long does delivery take? Then here you can get the answer, and you get the point. You can just basically edit this however you want. Once you've done that, hit save. And now we want to add this to our site. So what we have to do, copy this code, go to WordPress, and then edit with Elementor and paste this FAQ where you want. So if you're not using Elementor but a different page builder, it will be similar but slightly different. Just type in HTML here, put it somewhere. Let's put it here. Paste it in there, and there we go. These are the frequently asked questions. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.